Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. So let's begin with the English video. Children, in this video today we are going to learn about alphabet K and alphabet L. Today we will do some revision exercises and after that I will introduce I vowel word, 2-letter and 3-letter words. So let us start. See, this is the alphabet K and this is a capital and small alphabet K. Now what is the sound of K? The sound of K is K. The sound of K is K. Now let's see some objects that is starting with the letter K. So this is keys. K, K, keys. K, K, keychain. K, K, king. K, K, cattle. K, K, kids. K, K, kite. K, K, kennel, that is dog house. K, K, kitten. K, K, kitchen, where your mama cooks. Now this is a fruit that is starting with the letter K. It's kiwi. The vegetable name is kale, that is leafy vegetable. The bird with letter K, that is kiwi and kingfisher. Animal name from K, koala bear and kangaroo. Now the city name from K, it's Kolkata, and country name from K is Kenya. Now children, let's see some food that is starting with alphabet K. This is kidney beans. We call it rajma. And one more is kebab. K says kaka kebab. So let's do color in spiral book in alphabet K block. First of all, make a border. This way, slowly do coloring in capital K and small k. So this way you finish coloring in capital K. Now in the small k, this way you will color in the small k. Now let us start. Small k we will write in the workbook. What you have to do, from pink line to second blue line you have to write standing line. This way, after that one slanting line and another slanting line. The slanting lines will come in the blue line only while you are writing small k. Again we will see standing line from pink line to second blue line and 2 times slanting lines. Now we will see capital K. Again the same way, standing line and a long slanting line will come. The center point will be first blue line. From first blue line to upper pink line you have to make slanting line, and another at the bottom of the second blue line. Again we will see standing line, slanting line, again slanting line, standing line, slanting line, another slanting line. Again from pink line to second blue line, one standing line and two slanting line. Now children, let us learn alphabet L. What is the sound of alphabet L? L says L, L. The sound of L is L. This is a block of capital alphabet L and small alphabet L. Now let us see some objects related to alphabet L. This is a lamp. L says L, lamp. This is a lock. L says L, lock. This is a leaf. L says L, leaf. This is a light. L says L, light bulb. This is a lollipop. L says L, lollipop. L says L, lake. L says L, laptop. L says L, lips. Now let's see fruit. L says L, lime, जिसको मौसम्बी कहते हैं. L says L, lemon and ladyfinger. These are the vegetables. Now L says L, leafy vegetable. And which are the leafy vegetables? Lettuce and lemongrass. This is an insect. L says L, ladybird. These are the birds from alphabet L. L says L, lovebirds. And animals, L says L, lion and leopard. Now this is your spiral book. You have to color in the alphabet L. Your block of alphabet L. Let us do coloring in that. First of all, make border. Slowly you have to do standing line and slipping line. The stroke should be same. On the long area, always use standing line stroke. This way. Now slipping line stroke. Now we will do coloring in small l. Here also you will do standing line strokes. Okay, children? Now let us write small l. Small l is just like a standing line only. So from pink line to second blue line, you have to make standing line. But your standing line should be straight. Again one more time, from pink line to second blue line we will write small L. Small L. L says lobster. L says lemon. L says leaf. Now it's turn to write capital L. In the capital L, always you make standing line little long and slipping line little short. Okay, so same way as we return small L, standing line from pink line to second blue line and a short slipping line. Standing, slipping, standing line, slipping line, standing line, slipping line, standing line, slipping line, standing line, slipping line. Let us do one exercise related to alphabets. Here you have to see the picture and you have to match it with the small alphabet. Okay. Now first picture, let me see which picture is there. First is grape. G says g grapes. G says g grapes. Now second picture is bat. B bat. So we will match it with the b. Now envelope. Envelope. So where is the E sound? E alphabet? Yes, we will match with the E says a. Now second, the fourth one is duck. The sound is coming duck. Duck. So we will match it with the d. After that, fish. Fish. Now children, see where is F? Yes, we will match with the F. Now the last one, heart. That we will match it with the H says heart. Find me a match for my alphabet sound. See on the left hand side, we will see which pictures are given. First of all, leopard, then koala bear, after that iguana, and then jackal. Now in the right hand side, jar, ladder, kettle and igloo. So let us start from one by one. This is a leopard. When we are saying leopard, the sound is coming L says l. So we will match it with the ladder. L says ladder. Now next is koala bear. Koala, cattle. So this we have to match. After that, iguana. Iguana, we will match with the igloo. Now after that, jackal. Jackal, jar. Now our next topic is I vowel words. Yes, so first of all, tell me children, what is the sound of I? The I sound is E. The alphabet I sound is E. So whenever you will see I is written, you will read as a E. Okay. Now one by one we will keep one consonant and we will read it. So children, let's read it with me. First of all, E, B, ib. E, d, id. E, g, ig. E, p, ip. E, m, im. E, n, in. E, t, it. E, f, if. Now children, first of all you will read it one by one, okay? But after doing some practice, you will read it directly like ib, id, ig, ip, im, in, it, is, if. Okay, now let's see some 3-letter words. Now children, you can read e, p, ip. Now let's see some ip words. L, ip, lip. D, ip, dip. Now this way, one consonant you will add in the front of the ip and you will read it like t, ip, tip, h, ip, hip. Now what is this? E, d, id. The same way, one consonant we will add in the front and we will read it like this. L, id, lid. D, id, did. R, id, rid. K, id, kid. Now let's see some it words. H, it, hit. L, it, lit. K, it, kit. And the last one, f, it, fit. Now let us read some I vowel words from your spiral book. The first picture is of bin. B, in, bin. Second is pin. P, in, pin. B, ib, bib. N, ib, nib. Now on the next page, k, id, kid. L, id, lid. D, ig, dig. And t, I, tie. This is a long sound. On the next page, z, ip, zip. T, ip, tip. S, it, sit. And w, in, win. Now children, that's all for today. Keep practicing. Thank you. Bye-bye.